Market wasn't really doing what I really wanted to do, but Friday move was quite very amazing move. Market went pretty well, but it from this area, which is price breaking this structure, then I'm going to trade from somewhere around this. But when I was looking at the chart, I realized that this is a liquidity built up here, that price might eventually come to sweep this liquidity. Which price did? Price swept this liquidity, then went back into the zone. So when price swept this liquidity, then I saw the rejection right here at this zone. So this is the POI right here, which is my order block. Then price taps into that area, just tapped into the area, rejected to the downside immediately. Then I enter the trade. So I'll be showing the trade, how it's going on the screen right here. So today's Monday. This is just the trade I took today. Let's see. I'm still aiming for this area somewhere around here, this liquidity point. I'm still aiming for this liquidity point to this area. Then, but I know that before price gets to this area, price will hit this area, this liquidity right here. Price will hit this liquidity right here. So probably if price hits this area, hit this liquidity, this buy side liquidity that's around this area, then it might play around here. Maybe it's a reverse from here, nobody knows, or it's gonna break this structure. But this is the final area. So this is the area I'm looking at for. Well, I'm quite confident that price is gonna come and hit this 29398. So this is my view. So I'm still very confident on the trade. Let's go head on to the daily time frame, which I have seen something very nice right here. So let's head on to the daily time frame, guys. So let me show you something real quick on the daily time frame. So price has swept this daily high, this previous daily high right here. So which is even giving me more confidence that this is the previous daily candle which price swept. Then price are using the rejection and it closed below this previous candle. Are you seeing it? So and it rejected back and it is coming to that. So this is the first aim and this is the second aim. So that's it for today, guys. So let's see how it's gonna go. I'm gonna update you guys. If you ask me any advice in trading, I'll just tell you to be patient and be disciplined. That is the best advice I can give to anybody that wants to go into trading. Honestly, there's nothing more. Just be patient and be disciplined. Honestly, these two things can really change your trading. Honestly. So guys, this is what happened on GBP USD today. There was a level right here. That I wasn't watching out for. So all this area, all this place I've been trading was just inner liquidity. Then price came to sweep out this level today, today is Wednesday, guys. Price came to sweep out this level right here. Then it went straight to hit my TP direct. This was the trade I took on Monday, which took me out to break even. This was the trade I took yesterday, was Tuesday, which took me out with a loss. And this was the trade I took today. So with this trade, I am able to recover like 50% of my losses, because I took some losses last week. I took only one loss last week, which was, I think that was the only trade I took last week. I recovered 50% of all my losses. Imagine, guys, with just one single trade. That is just it, guys. It is just so amazing. So this is how I was able to catch this trade, guys. Price, are you seeing what price did right here? Price built up liquidity here and swept it high, swept it out, then went straight to my TP, but it reversed back and swept the high I traded. Then it is trying to downside now. So I don't know if price will react from this area. Let me show you guys something on a daily time frame, guys. This is what I'm looking at on a daily time frame, guys. Let's head over to the daily time frame. So this is what I'm looking at on a daily time frame. So price might reach this level, then reverse from, but something is just scary at the daily time frame. What I'm just seeing is that this is an bearish engulfing candle right here. Then it is engulfing this bullish candle, so which is kind of scary. But because if you notice something, guys, all the candle that's been printing here has been engulfing the bullish candle, so this one too does the same. So price might get to this area, then break it, then because there's a level here, there's an order block here that price might come to test on the daily time frame, which is what I'm just kind of skeptical with. So but I don't know what price is gonna do. Anyhow, it's gonna go. we are gonna see how it's gonna go, guys. So that's just it for today, guys. That's just for today. We took a good entry on GBPUSD today. So I set a limit order here, which is a buy limit, but I have to delete it back because firstly it is already the session has already closed. So I don't want to trade anything like Asian session. So and the bearish engulfing candle on the data is so scary. So I'm seeing those disadvantages to this trade. So that's why I just have to delete the limit order. So guys, but let's see how it's gonna go. Let's see what the market is gonna do. So stay tuned, guys.
If you have not gotten your account with BTCdana, I don't know what you are doing. Do you know this broker offers minimum deposit of $3? Which broker offers this kind of opportunity, guys? You can deposit at as low as $3 on your first deposit, and you can also get as high as 50% to 100% deposit bonus on your first deposit. Which brokers offer something like this? We traders from Nigeria and Africa, we don't really have much to trade, and we want to at least be able to fund like $5, $10 to our trading account, which mostly of this broker doesn't allow. We come from Africa, where our currency is not really that valuable like that. So we want to be able to trade with the little capital we have. This broker offers this kind of opportunity. I'll be leaving the link to this broker in the description, and I'll also be leaving my promo code for you to be able to get 50% to 100% deposit bonus on your first deposit. So guys, go check it out, guys.
Are you seeing this candle, guys? Are you seeing this candle right here? This was the candle I was talking about yesterday. I was saying that this candle is scary, and that was exact thing that happened. It came to test this level. Are you seeing this level? This order block right here at the daily time frame. So this was the level I was aiming for. This was my plan. This was my POI. So I traded from this level, then price just went through it. I was saying this candle is scary. This is a scary candle, but the market does whatever it wants to do, guys. So I took a loss on GBPUSD today, guys, which was at this level. So I traded at this level. This was the level. This was the liquidity I was. Price took out the liquidity and rejected a little bit, then smashed my SL. So tomorrow is Friday. Let's see how it's gonna go, guys. So stay tuned, guys.
So guys, this is the P&L for the week. I took about 4 trades this week, which I lost about 2 of the trade. I took a break even on 1 trade, and I had only 1 single winning trade for the week, which is quite very, very amazing. On all the losses I took, I am only down like $1 on the first account, the account I'm showing right here, and I'm also down like $1, which is like small losses. Honestly, if this trade I've went well, I've gone into I'll be making nothing less than $10 plus from all this account. But it's quite really amazing. So I'm just glad I'm able to like follow the steps I need to follow for me to build this little account. As I said in my previous video, I'll be flipping this account, and I'm serious about this. I'll be flipping this account. So next week, coming back with new energy. I wasn't able to take any trade on Friday because market wasn't really doing what I really wanted to do, but Friday move was quite very amazing move. Market went pretty well, but I wasn't able to take any trade because the setup market was given to me. I wasn't really prepared for the setup, so I didn't trade because I knew if I entered any trade, I will be trading from my emotions, and I don't want to be in that state while trading. So I just try to avoid the market and just keep my hands to myself. So I think this week was quite very great, guys. So that will be all for the week. We'll go again next week, guys, with new energy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking. So much love, guys. See you next one, guys. Stay blessed, stay tuned, guys.